Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Google Play Store because Vyapar runs as an Android app on Chromebook. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, and turn on Google Play. This allows app installs. Next, search the Play Store for Vyapar and tap Install. Make sure to grant storage and camera permissions so invoice PDFs and product images save correctly. This first step gets the app on your device and prevents permission errors later, so don't skip granting required access. You now configure your business profile so invoices are compliant. Start by entering your business name, GSTIN, address, and banking details. Vyapar uses these to populate invoices. Then import your product catalog via CSV for faster setup, or add items manually if you have few SKUs. Configure tax slabs, invoice numbering, and template layout so receipts print correctly. Once these settings are saved, your invoices and reports will reflect accurate calculations. You're ready to use Vyapar daily. Create invoices, record payments, and sync backups to Google Drive so data is safe. Make it a habit to run stock checks and reconcile sales weekly. Exports to CSV or PDF help accounting. If you face issues like crashes or missing data, first clear the app cache, then check for Play Store updates. If problems persist, reinstall Vyapar but export a backup first. That troubleshooting flow fixes most issues while protecting your business records.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.